Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Tom Ford sunglasses, model TF764 and color code 72G. The color of the frame is pink. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are also brown gradient. On its temple tip is the Tom Ford logo in gold. You also find the Tom Ford logo engraved on its top left lens. On its inner right temple is again the Tom Ford logo and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model name, the model number, the color code, and dimensions of the frame. 58 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Tom Ford case, a Tom Ford gift box, a cleaning cloth that has the Tom Ford logo on it, a Tom Ford envelope which holds a card of authenticity, and a manufacturer booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.